Hi everyone, myself Bhagyashree and today I'm going to solve this Mo Zero problem from the Leetcode, problem number 283, and that is asking many fan company. So let's start with that. The problem is asking about the Mo Zero. It means first we have to go with the problem what the statement they are asking. Giving an integer array nums, move all zero to the end of it while maintaining the relative order of non-zero element, and the note they are given that you must do this in place without making a copy of the array. It means we don't have to be using any extra spaces for storing the value. So there is multiple way we can use with the help of iterative approach, or we can use with the help of left right pointer. So there's a multiple way. I'm going to solving this with the help of left and right pointer, right to pointer approach, I can say. The problem we have this, you can see in the nums of input array we have a 0 1 0 3 1 2. Okay, and let me, so what we are getting in the output as 1 3 12 and this 0 0. So the concept is we have to remove all the zero element at the in the ending, I can say, and the non integer non zero value we have to remove in the forward side. So what is the approach we can apply here? We have to first initialize the two pointer left and right, then both starting from this array, you can see here. This one we can say left and right. One is left, one is right. Okay. Then move the right pointer until a non-zero element is encountered. We have to be moved until the non-zero element we are getting. Like if I can say continuously we are getting the 1, 3, 2. So we have to be moved until we are not getting. Then similarly we have to be moved the number of left in 0 and number of right is also 0. Then we have to be increment on only the what I can say. 1 second. Yeah, if we have both number is non-zero, then we can say we move in the left and right and increment the both pointer. And if number is left is 0 and number of right is also 0, both are same, then we can increment the only the right pointer. So these three cases we have to be handled while writing the code, and this will have to be continue until the process is in the right pointer reaches to the end of the array. So this concept I have to be apply in the code. Let's start with the code also. Okay, so first I have to be initialize the left and right. So write the code for this int left and right pointer. Okay, and after that, both starting from the beginning of this array we have to be assigned here. Then move the right pointer until a non-zero element is encountered. We have to be go here one by one until we are not getting the non-zero element. Okay, so for that we have to be write the condition while left and right, and for this similarly right also left and right less than nums of length. And always our left pointer is less than right pointer. Okay, this is the our condition, the loop is running. Okay, so now what we can see, we have to be check if nums of left not equal to 0. Okay, if not equal to 0, what we have to do, we have to be move left plus plus, right plus plus. Okay, similarly we have to be check for this other case also. Else if we are getting the nums of left equal to 0 and nums of right is also we are getting 0, what we can return, we have to be written We have to move the right first place. As I already mentioned in the approach, you can see. If nums of left is 0 and nums of right is 0, then we increment only the right pointer. So that's why I am only moving the right pointer. Okay. And again we have to be check if our nums of left is 0 and nums of right not equal to 0, then what we can do. Else if nums of left 0 and nums of right not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. What we can return? We can return the right value in the left one, because we are ultimately getting the value from the right pointer. So we have to be shift, because our aim is to move the zero number end and non-zero value should be the front, I can say. So that's why we are assigning the left nums of left value to the right value, because nums of left we are getting a zero here. So we are swapping, I can say, switching the value from there. And for the right one, what we can say, we have to be assign the zero, because at the end we have to shift the zero, not the number one. Then similarly we have to be move for the left and right counting. Okay, so this is the condition which we can apply here. And last one condition we can check, like if our left greater than equal to right, then what we can say. If left greater than right, then right equal to, what we can say, we have left plus 1. So this is the condition which we have to be check every time for shifting the value. Hope you got the idea about this problem. Again I am explaining, just let me run this solution. Mhm. Oh shit, we are getting some syntactical errors. Line number 31. Oh, sorry, yeah, what we concentrate right writing here, we have to be comment, or I can say, yeah, that will be great. So just running the solution. Let's check if it is working or not. Internal configuration for the length. Line number 5. Line number 5, where is, oh, oh. What we can see, we just write the proper left. Now run. is happening. Okay, you have to be run frozen. So you can see the code is running. The time complexity for this problem we have to be big of n, and space complexity is big of n, because here he mentioned this in place. So basically what we did, we are using the two pointer approach. We are initializing the value at the starting point, left and right pointer, and we are checking the condition which we are maintaining. First we have to check the left value should not be equal to 0. If we have to be shift in the right side. And again we are checking if the left side value we are getting a 0 and right is also we are getting a 0, we have to be shift in the right side. And again if we are checking the left side we are value getting the 0 value, and right side we are getting some non 0 value, so we have to be switch, or we can say we have to be swap the value and assigning a right value to 0. And again we have to move the left and right incrementally. And after all this condition we have a last condition which we have to check if the left is always equal to right. If this is happening, uh, by default we are having the left less than equal to right, but yeah, in certain case if we have this case left equal to right, left greater than equal to right, then we have to be assigned the right equal to left plus 1. So that is our condition which we have to be fulfilled. That will be moving our all the value which is we have to move at the end side. I can say 0 at the end side. Let's submit it. Yeah, so that's it for this today. Hope you got this idea about this problem. Thank you.